In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password on Royal Caribbean app. First, let's begin by opening the Royal Caribbean app. You can find this app on your mobile device, whether it's an iOS or Android. Once you tap on the app icon, it will load and bring you to the home screen. This is where your journey begins. Opening the app is essential because it serves as your gateway to accessing all the features and services Royal Caribbean offers. You will see the vibrant interface that showcases the brand's offerings, making it easier for you to navigate through your cruise details and bookings. Next, you will need to tap on the Sign In button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. By tapping on this, you will be directed to a page where you can enter your login credentials. Signing in is crucial because it allows you to access your personal information and manage your bookings securely. Once you tap, you will see fields that require your email and password. This step sets the foundation for accessing your account securely. Now, if you cannot remember your password, don't worry. Simply tap on the Forgot Password link. This is usually found right below the password entry field. Tapping this link is important as it will guide you through the process of recovering your account access. You will not be left stranded. The app will help you reset your password safely and conveniently. After that, you will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Royal Caribbean account. Make sure to type it correctly. This email is where the password reset instructions will be sent. It's vital to use the correct email to ensure you receive the reset link. Once you have entered your email, you can proceed by tapping the Submit or Reset Password button. This action initiates the password reset process, and you will soon receive an email. Now, check your email for the password reset message from Royal Caribbean. Open your email app and look for an email from them. This email should arrive shortly and will contain important instructions. It's essential to check your inbox, including your spam or junk folder, just in case it gets filtered. This step ensures that you have the necessary link to create a new password. Once you find the email, tap the Reset Password link provided in it. This link will take you to a secure page where you can set up a new password. It's crucial to click this link promptly as it may have an expiration time. By doing this, you take a significant step toward regaining access to your account while ensuring your data remains protected. Next, you will be asked to create a new password and confirm it. Choose a strong password that you can remember but is not easy for others to guess. A good practice is to include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once both fields are filled in, tap on the Confirm button to finalize your new password. This step is vital for keeping your account secure, as a strong password protects your personal and financial information. Finally, return to the Royal Caribbean app and sign in with your new password. Enter your email and the new password you just created. This is the moment you've been waiting for. If you followed all the steps correctly, you should be able to access your account without any issues. This final step is reassuring because it confirms that your password change was successful, allowing you to use the app with confidence.